Hello Internet. Today we have this AMD 7900 XTX from Sapphire. Card came with a permanently attached PCI Express cable, which is always a bonus. Most likely some kind of Chinese no-brand, no-name cable purchased on Amazon, I don't know. Either way, let's take this thing apart and see what we find. Very nice card, by the way. Highly recommended. I'll check these fuses here, and all fuses are good. No short on memory, no short on VDDCI, no short here or here. Looks good, so let's power the board and see what it does. But I can't do it with the cable still stuck inside. But after wiggling the cable side to side, it finally came out. Cable's out, and what's interesting is that it was stuck in the wrong port, because if we look closer, it was the other port that was melted. That's very weird. I'm not sure what's happening here. In any case, in order to power the board, I will have to replace this connector, so let's go ahead and do that. Connector will come from a donor board provided by a viewer like you. Thank you. It doesn't look identical, but I think it's close enough that whoever plugged this cable in won't even notice the difference. Connector replaced, board powered, and everything is looking good, so let's boot the card and see if it works. Great, we have an image. I'll install the drivers and try to run firmware for just a second. And at this point, all that's left now is to put things together, and just like that, we have a fix. A fix that anyone can do, but hardly anyone gets, because this type of damage is very rare, so hoping for a quick buck on a regular basis is a dream. Thank you for watching. Hopefully I'll see you later. Goodbye.